Rise, it's your girl Ruriko here, and today my darlings, we're back here with another video. If you're not subscribing and still here, we go, thank you so much, it's greatly appreciated. It's the first time seeing your girl, seeing my face, oh my god, where have you been? Welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because you won't be disappointed with the content I bring to you, I promise. Without further ado guys, so you know, when I first started out doing makeup, I generally didn't know what was what, especially when it came down to brushes. I was so bad at brushes, knowing what they do, knowing what names they are, all these type of things. And I thought to myself, you know what, there's a few brushes that I bought, so I generally didn't have this idea, but there's a couple of boxes that I bought so far to do certain things, because you know, it's all well and good getting a kit that has everything, but sometimes if you're new but then you are coming out of that noob kind of territory and you want to specifically do certain things, I thought it would be so cool to show you guys a cheap collection of brushes that are for one specific thing. So you know, you have your contour brushes, you have your blush brushes, you have your powder brushes, you have your obviously your eyeshadow, you have your eyebrow brushes and all the rest of it. So I went to Amazon. You know me, I love Amazon, I love what they do, I love that some, you know, you can find some amazing stuff on Amazon. So I went to Amazon, and yes, even though I can buy high-end brushes and high-end stuff, and I do obviously have high-end brushes and stuff like that, when I first started out I went super cheap. And there is cheap, sweetie, and then there is cheap. It's just like buying a cheap dress. Like, you can buy a cheap dress, but do you want the dress to look cheap? And that's what I found. I found that even I was buying cheap and the quality was cheap. The brushes didn't pick up the product, the brushes were falling apart, it was all scratchy. Some of the brushes were scratchy and would hurt my actual skin. Sweeties, going cheap sometimes doesn't mean good. So what I done is I went to Amazon to find a cheap brush set that is still high-end quality that I want to show you guys today. And it's a company named Bar. This is the company. So this is when I bought, this is the packaging that it came in. Come in a really cute plastic sleeve, and I'm just going to show you what this is. So I went to Amazon and I bought brushes that are based on contouring, powder, that type of thing. So I went and bought this makeup brushes set, Amber Chick green bamboo design, 8 pieces, perfect for teenage girls, arrives in a high-end gift box. Let me show you the product and then I'm going to give you the price. I'm going to obviously leave the link in the description below so that if you want to buy this, honey, you can. So this is the box. Just look at this detail. Bear everything in mind when I'm showing you this. Bear everything in mind, the packaging, the way it looks, everything in mind. And then when I give you the price, sweeties, then you will know what I'm talking about. You don't need to break the bank to come and get perfection for you. Do you understand what I'm saying to you? I went out and I went right into the deep end. I went to Fenty Beauty when it first came out. I spent hundreds of pounds and I hardly use those products now. So they're just sitting there. I want to probably put them in my giveaway, because I generally don't care how much I spend on something. If I'm not using it, it's got to go. That's just the person that I am. I don't live in a massive mansion where I can just have rooms full of old makeup. So I'm doing it backwards. Do you know what I mean? I've gone from the high end to the lower end of things, and that's even down to makeup, sweeties. Like, I'll buy the occasional expensive product only if it's something I know is going to be popping. I want it, I want to try it out now. If it's not that, I'm not going for it. I used to just go for it because it's just out there, everybody's buying it, I want to buy it too. I'm not that type of channel yet. Like, I have coins and stuff, but I'm not about to waste my money. I have a family to feed as well. Do you know what I'm saying? So this here is the packaging. This is what it looks like, black and slick, sweeties. And you literally, it comes with a magnetic strip like so, and then you open it, honey. Are you ready for all this beautifulness? So you get a little card there, and I'm going to read you what that is. And this is the brushes. Are you seeing this? Take a good look. Breathe that in. Breathe the colors in, sweetie. Ombre, ombre, ombre. Yes. Okay, and then it comes with a lovely black card there, as you can see, beautiful. And in this black card, sweeties, you have all of the brushes. Can you see that little shimmery? The detail is beautiful. So you have all this card and it has 3 languages, first being English, and it tells you what these brushes do. So the first brush on the list is a foundation brush, a powder brush, a blush brush, a concealer brush, and a contour brush. Then the next brush is a powder brush, blush brush, and contour brush. Third is a concealer brush, contour brush, and shadow brush. Then the fourth is a flat concealer brush, a foundation brush. Then the fifth is a foundation brush. Then the sixth is small angled powder brush, nose shading brush, blending brush, and then you have the eyeshadow brush. So you got 2 eyeshadow brushes at the end. So it says thank you for choosing us. Thank you for choosing us. It says thank you for choosing us. And then sweetie, it has this cute little card on it, and basically it says happy ? Review your experience on Amazon. Not satisfied? They have their email contact right there. Then on the other side, my honey bunnies, what does this say? It says add on additional 12 months to your warranty, and you register at their website, which is www.amber.com. Amber is spelled A-N-B-B-E-R. And then sweetie, as you saw, we are presented with the brushes, and I am, oh my god, are you serious right now? When I tell you the price, honeys, you're gonna be go. This is thick and beautiful. It has their logo on it. This is the brush. Can you see all of that beautifulness? Oh my, and it feels so good. Oh wow, no exaggeration. I am not getting endorsed. I'm not endorsed. I'm not paid or anything like that. I'm generally giving you my opinion on these brushes. The softness of this is beautiful. Solid. You know, even the high-end brands are hollow. So this is their foundation brush, also their powder brush, their blush brush, and their concealer brush, also a contour brush. So you can basically use this for a multitude of different things. It's beautiful. So this is what it looks like. Then we go on to their powder brush, blush brush, and contour brush. It has a flat, it's flat, but then it kind of raised up in the middle. So that's what it looks like, honeys. Just beautiful. Again, very soft texture. Again, with the beauty. Seriously, I am so living for this. So this is their concealer brush, contour brush, and their shadow brush. And this is what this one looks like. This is definitely angled because it's a contour brush. So this is the one you'll use to contour your face, the angles, the cheekbones, yeah, you will do that with this, darling. And it's also, as I said, contour and shadow brush, and you know, to shadow it out, to buff it out. This is the brush, really. I am living for the colors. Beautiful. Again, I don't even know what to say. I am like pleasantly surprised. We're going on to their flat concealer brush, foundation brush, and this is what this looks like. Beautiful, very straight, very cut, very cut. I like that. And again, just solid as a rock, darlings. This beautiful metallic green is just beautiful. It's just beautiful. I'm living for it. And it's all the way through, and they all feel the same, obviously same material. And then we're going on to their foundation brush. This is on the smaller side. A lot of these foundations, some of these foundation brushes are a lot longer, but I am still living for it. You kind of don't need a lot. I can see how this will put on product really, really well, actually. So this, again, beautiful. Oh my god, I can't wait till I tell you the price. Like, seriously, hurry up. And then we go on to their small angled powder brush, nose shading brush, and blending brush. Oh, so beautiful, cute. It doesn't take away from the beautifulness being a smaller brush. It's still beautiful. And then we go on to their eyeshadow brush. Oh, look at that. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. And then we go on to their other eyeshadow brush, and this is what it looks like. So cute and small. Again, it doesn't take away from the beautifulness and feels great. Ah, wow guys, you know, starting out, you don't need to spend so much money, because this is what will happen. You'll have your sets that have one brush for this, one brush for that, one brush for your eyes, one brush for brush, blah, blah, blah. You'll have that. Those sets are good. There's nothing wrong with them sets at all, because I have a few of those sets. I have more than a few of those sets, and I feel that they're great. But when you really want to get into makeup, you need a whole set that does one thing, a whole set that does another, a whole set that does another, and eventually you'll build up brushes that you love. And you don't need to go crazy on the prices for this beautiful set. Everything you have seen, the extra 12, that means 2 years warranty. So the warranty already is a year, and I can get extra year because they believe in their brand, they believe in their products, and if anything was to happen to them, you have peace of mind. And you don't get that with high-end brands at all, especially with brushes, because brushes get disgusting, brushes get nasty, brushes fall out. You know what I mean? Brushes do, even the expensive ones, they frayed. These things happen. You wash them, they frayed. This is what happens. And yet they're saying you get 2 years for £10, guys. £10 from Amazon. This brand is giving you all of this beautiful goodness, all of this with the gift box. So this could be a beautiful gift for somebody starting out on the higher end of makeup. You know, they want to get into it. This is beautiful. I love the fact that the brushes are versatile. They have more than one thing to do, and they look beautiful, they feel beautiful, and I am living for the color. They are really well made. Are you kidding me? $9.99 of my coins for 2 years worth of goodness. I just spent like £100 on Real Technique brushes, and there is no guarantee like that. If those things broke tomorrow, that's my money gone. Whereas I could have bought a whole load of these for the money that I spent on Real Techniques, because I've not had a Real Techniques brush, so I just bought a few of them so that I can just test them out properly and see what everybody's basically screaming about. Yeah, it is what it is. This is what you do in the life of makeup. But I believe that you don't need to go bankrupt for it. I really do believe that, and this is just proof of that. It is proof of that. I will be doing another video where I will be testing this out. I will demo this for you guys. I will see what's going on. I will wash them. I put them to the test. I'll make a whole look for you guys using these brushes so that we can really see if it's going to stand the test of time. I will bring that video to you guys real soon. But I just wanted to show you guys what you can do when you are focusing on certain things, because they have a kit for everything. So when you're focusing on certain things, let's say you want to contour better, or you want to pick up powder better, or you want to do these type of things, this set has got you covered. I am pleasantly surprised. Even though the pictures look good and everything else, you never know if they're hollow. You didn't know if they're gonna feel good or anything like that. And I am just like, I'm with you guys. If you guys are gagging, I am gagging there with you. I am like, they give you peace of mind. Their packaging is amazing, their presentation is amazing, and they're very confident about their product. Very confident indeed. So this has been your girl Ruriko Yamazaki here. Let's know that you're loving your order anybody needs, sweetie, and I'll catch you. Woo! Yes, you, the one that came to the end of the video, handle your girl. I'll catch you on another video. Mwah! Yeah.